He said, oh no, the water is down. Oh my goodness. No, just go through to me. How I'm gonna jump on your snapper and go through him. He disappeared. What? He's going in there all along. Wow! I'm a witch. I'm a ghost. What did you do? Don't go in here. Stop it. Hey! Get him out. Mian Soro, out of the way. Out of the way, Miha. Whoa. You see, guys, like the video and share because we jumped like that. That's so cool. Then like this video now. Yes. Yeah. Hey. Stop. I just jumped like that. Bro, you guys see that? Like this videos, because we're jumping.